Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic automatic 508 fastback. So this car features 18-inch alloy wheels, there's full LED headlights with the saber-tooth daytime running lights. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera and an electric tailgate. Inside the car there's half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter. The car also has some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection, speed limit recognition, and it can even call the emergency services in the event of an accident. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's the 8-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done under 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.